CoinDesk's new owner Bullish replaces CEO in restructuring. Sarah Stratobitter replaces Kevin Worth, who has led CoinDesk since 2017. 10 years of decentralizing the future. May 29–31, 2024, Austin, Texas. The biggest and most established global hub for everything crypto, blockchain and Web3. Register now. CoinDesk's longtime CEO Kevin Worth is out amid a major restructuring initiated by the media, events and information company's new owner, the crypto exchange Bullish. In Worth's place, the exchange has appointed Sarah Stratobitter, who previously ran business development for Bullish. CoinDesk will remain an independent subsidiary of Bullish, and Sarah is committed to maintaining CoinDesk's journalistic independence and integrity, a CoinDesk spokesperson said. The shakeup, which comes 2 months after Bullish acquired CoinDesk from its embattled former owner Digital Currency Group, affects much of CoinDesk's leadership. Other departures include Chief Operating Officer Eleanor Hirschhorn, Vice President of Engineering John DeGunter, and Executive Director of Global Strategy Emily Parker. Chief Content Officer Michael Casey no longer has a full-time role, but is in discussions with Bullish to stay on board with CoinDesk in some other capacity. CoinDesk and Bullish employees were informed of the changes via a memo on Thursday from Bullish CEO Tom Farley, who said the restructuring was designed to shift CoinDesk's media, indices and events businesses into a flatter organizational structure. Some CoinDesk functions, such as human resources, will now report to their equivalents at Bullish. CoinDesk's tech and product teams will also be integrated with Bullish, said Farley. Kevin and the leadership team oversaw the evolution of CoinDesk into a leading global. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.